juicy seafood crawfish. So we're walking in now.
Yeah, and it's gonna be spicy. And whoever
Bro, look how good it looks.
Dang, that looks good.
Yummy.
Bro, that's gonna look so good.
That's snow crab.
Look, there's like sign things. I guess everybody gets to sign their name on here. I guess.
I went here before when I was like 5 years old.
We do not care.
I was 3 years old. I mean,
Bro, this looks so bussin' already. Oh my god.
first time here.
Y'all gotta scan that right there. Scan that right there.
Come on,
A
Okay, y'all, we're
few
going.
moments later.
Ooh, I want one of these.
Everybody's like eating these and like.
Scuba.
Go, go.
Wait, is there not over there?
Yeah, it's a skeleton.
There's a skeleton right
Bro, let me show y'all real quick. There's a skeleton right here. Hello, I'm gonna take y'all if y'all don't subscribe. Y'all heard that? Go subscribe.
I know that's right.
Maya, look.
So this is my second time at this, like at the crab place. I don't know what it's called.
Maya.
Bruh.
So I think I'm so hungry. Like, are they making it? Like, God, they've been for like 10 minutes now. It's 30. Bro, every time they walk past, like every time they get a bowl, like every time they have a bowl and they walk past, I'm gonna be like, it's ours. Oh,
What dude?
bro! In one of the videos, ooh, bro, he had the Holy Ghost. He said something.
Are you serious right now?
Cause I just
That was just. I can't even shake his arms.
Nope.
Oh no, they closed.
Mama, it's a crawfish.
It's not real.
I know. A crawfish can be that big, so that's not.
First, let me pop the little bubble.
Maya, look, there's crawfish in there.
You wanna do a game?
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Here. Yeah, right.
Okay. So look. I'm gonna tap like this. I'm gonna go like this. And you gotta close your eyes. Though. You gotta like try to get it in the cup. Okay? Try to get it in here. Okay? Close your eyes.
Huh?
I said close your eyes.
I did. Let me do it.
Wait, I didn't even tap the cup. Hold on, Kaison do not know how to play this. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. You didn't get it, bro. Okay, let me close your eyes. I do not tap the cup.
Maya, can it be my turn?
Close your eyes. Wait, listen. I move it each round. Okay, you missed, bro.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Tyson. Okay, make it clean. But do it all the time. Do it now.
A few moments later.
We got the food. So, testing it out now. Wait. So we got the bag.
Mama, I want to crawfish. Crab.
Dang, that looks good.
So Daddy, how we do this?
Yes! Oh my gosh, yes! You don't know how to peel crab? Crawfish.
Bruh.
You don't help me? Boy, I gotta help myself.
Me too.
I can't. There we go now. Let me get this like flavor time. My hand's not done. Oh my gosh.
Yummy.
Oh! I have to open up this claw because it's big. Don't forget to suck the body, Kaison.
Say what?
Open up. Suck the back. Suck the bottom of this. Take it out. I gotta do learn it one time.
We have a chicken.
Well, I got a lot of sauce.
Dang, that look good.
Ow.
Guys, I have ate a lot of stuff. So I guess I'm in the lead. Ooh, look at this one of mine. Look. This thing long. Because I'm going to open this all the way to the meat. Show my meat. I'm sure.
That's a mussel.
Cuss your mouth.
Brother,
But what's this black one?
Yo, what do you want?
Eat?
Eat the whole thing.
What's this? The black one? It's spicy. Yeah. What do you want me to do with that?